could you help me with the recording? Thank you so much. Okay, students, let me check. Okay, I still having 22 students. Okay, class, welcome. Let's start, please. We have to start with our last lesson during this level. Page 94, students, okay? Focus on that page. We have to start another lesson. Lesson number 12, never ever. Okay, what are the things that we are going to learn in this lesson? A new tense, which is important, right? And here we have present perfect. Okay, in this tense, we are going to use ever, never, yet, and just. Also, we have to learn more about these two verbs, take and get, which are very common in our everyday English. And also to finish this lesson, we have to talk about travel and transport. Okay. And that's it. Now, let's continue, please. We have to start with the first exercise. Match the countries and flags. What are the capital cities? Do you know? Maybe some of them are very common. Some of these flags are famous for us, right? What you have to do, please, students, you have to match the countries and flags. As you can see, here we have a box, and inside we have a list of countries, right? For example, Australia, Brazil, Hungary, China, Italy, Egypt, Japan, Spain, Great Britain, Switzerland, Greece, and the US. Okay, that's why, please, here you have to see the flags, banderas, right? And please match. In 2 minutes, we are going to check. Okay, come on, come on. Maybe you can write here next to this country, the letter, for example, Australia. Where is Australia? How to find? And you have to write. Okay. 2 minutes, students.
Miss, disculpe, no lo escuché bien. Por la lluvia, mi internet está inestable. ¿Puedes repetir, por favor?
Okay, no problem. We are in unit number 12 class, focus on page 24, no, 94, sorry. 94 is the last part of our units, right? The last in that case, el último. Please, we are in exercise 1, please, here. What do you have to do? Match the countries and flags. As you can see here, you have many flags, right? And in this box, we have a list of countries, right? What do you have to do? You have to match, you have to find where is the correct flag. For example, Australia, where is Australia's flag? Where is that? Can you see? Australia's flag, maybe? Right? Maybe some of them are very common, or maybe some of them are famous for us, but maybe some of them are maybe strange, right? And it's okay, no problem, students. Okay? No importa si no se saben todas las banderas, pero las más famosas por lo menos. Okay, do it. You have to match. 1 minute more. Ok, ¿me escuchan, verdad, chicos, o no?
Yes, miss.
Sí, Miss.
Yes, miss. Okay, do it, please, do it. Come on. Okay, can we check, class? Tell me, please. Let's start. We have the first country, Australia. Where is Australia's flag? Can you see? The letter E? Yeah, okay. What about Brazil? Brazil's flag is H. Excellent. China's flag. Okay. Egypt's flag, please.
D.
Okay, very good. And the next, Great Britain, please tell me where is the flag? Letter? Okay. Greece.
F.
F.
F. Okay. What about Hungary? Hungary's flag.
L.
L.
Yeah. Okay. Italy's flag.
A.
Okay. Japan's flag.
J.
G.
Okay. Spain's flag.
C.
C.
Switzerland's flag. Switzerland's flag.
B.
Yeah, okay. And finally, the United States flag.
K.
Okay. Okay, excellent. Please tell me now, what are the capital cities? Do you know? The capital city.
Is Washington, D.C.
Capital of
USA.
the US. Okay, very good. Continue, please. Do you know maybe some of their capital cities from these countries? What about, for example,
Of Brazil is Brasilia.
very good. Yes. What about China? What is the capital?
Peking.
Beijing. Beijing, yes. What about Egypt? The capital city is
Cairo, Miss.
Cairo.
Cairo.
Excellent. Yeah, very good. What about Spain, please? The last one. What about Spain? What's the capital? Capital city of Spain is
Madrid.
Madrid. Excellent, class. Now, please. Here we have to continue. We have exercise 2. Take the countries that you have visited. Have you ever been in some of these countries, maybe? Brazil, Australia, Egypt, maybe. If you visit maybe some of these countries, you can tick, okay? Si visitaron de repente alguno de estos países, pueden poner un tick al ladito. Now, students, let's continue on. We have to start. Been there, done that. Present perfect plus ever and never. Okay, we have to start here. Exercise 1. Lara and her friends, Kylie, are from Australia. Listen to their conversation, answer the questions. Okay. Aquí todavía no quiero que se asusten, chicos, porque no les estoy preguntando sobre este nuevo tiempo. No, en unos minutos más voy a indicar el presente perfecto. Mientras hagamos el ejercicio, ¿ok? Let's continue, please. Let's listen. And after that, you have to tell me the answers. As you can see here, you have 3 questions. What are they talking about? Who is Mel? What does Lara want to end the conversation? Okay, 3 questions, right? That you have to answer me in some minutes more.
Unit 12. Tape script 12.1. Been there, done that.
Hi, Lara. Are you and Mel ready for your trip?
Yeah, nearly. We leave next Monday for Rome.
Ah, Rome. I've been to Rome many times.
Well, I've never been there. It's my first time in Europe.
Really? What about your friend, Mel?
She's been to London and Paris, but she hasn't been to Rome.
Ah, London and Paris. I've been there too. I studied in Paris for a year before I went to work in New York. Have you ever been to the US?
No, I haven't. I haven't travelled much at all, so I'm really excited.
Oh, I've been to North and South America so many times.
I'm sure you have, Kyle. Oh dear, look at the time. Mel's waiting for me. We've got so much to do. Bye, Kyle. We'll send you a postcard.
Okay, let's listen again, students, please. Remember, here we have a conversation between Lara and her friend, right? here you have 3 questions. Please, in some minutes more, I'm going to ask you. Okay, let's listen again.
Unit 12, tape script 12.1. Been there, done that.
Hi, Lara. Are you and Mel ready for your trip?
Yeah, nearly. We leave next Monday for Rome.
Ah, Rome. I've been to Rome many times.
Well, I've never been there. It's my first time in Europe.
Really? What about your friend, Mel?
She's been to London and Paris, but she hasn't been to Rome.
Ah, London and Paris. I've been there too. I studied in Paris for a year before I went to work in New York. Have you ever been to the US?
No, I haven't. I haven't travelled much at all, so I'm really excited.
Oh, I've been to North and South America so many times.
I'm
And
sure you have, Kyle. Oh dear, look at the time. Mel's waiting for me. We've got so much to do. Bye, Kyle. We'll send you a postcard.
Okay, students, please. Do you have the answers? Can we check? Are you ready? Remember that you have to answer me these 3 questions. What are they talking about is the first question. Who's Mel? Why does Lara want to end the conversation? Okay, that's it. Are you ready? Let's start, please. Okay. Please, Pakandi. Please, Galia.
Miss?
Okay, Galia, tell me. The first question for you. What are they talking about?
Lara, Miss.
What are they talking about? Is the first question for you.
Como mismo le estoy entendiendo.
Okay. Here we are doing exercise 1. Please, Galia, as you can see, right? We have listened to this conversation between Lara and her friend, right? Kyle in that case. They are from Australia. Now I want to listen these 3 answers. Okay, the first question is for you. What are they talking about? Come on, Galia. Galia, hello. Hello, hello. ¿Qué pasó? Okay, let's continue. Please, Wara.
Present, Miss.
Okay, tell me, please, Warita. What are they talking about? Come on, what are they talking about? Have you listened to the conversation? Yes or not? Chicos, ¿escucharon la conversación o se ha escuchado entrecortado o algo? A ver, dígame.
Miss, ¿podrías repetirlo, por favor? El audio es que yo lo escuché entrecortado. Es que por mi zona está lloviendo muy fuerte.
Yeah, okay, let's listen again, students, please, but pay attention, okay? Como les dije, si es que han entrado tarde nuevamente, no voy a llamar ya lista de aquí adelante. Voy a llamar, sí, voy a pedir mucha participación y voy a llamar uno por uno. Va a ser en desorden, no esperen que sea en orden, ¿no? De repente lo sea. Pero si no están, significa que, bueno, si no responden, significa que no están. Entonces, si no están y no asisten durante estos días o no responden durante estos días, ni modo, van a estar inhabilitados a su examen final, que sería terminando esta lección. Okay? Now, let's listen again, students, please.
12.1. Been there, done that.
Hi, Lara. Are you and Mel ready for your trip?
Yeah, nearly. We leave next Monday for Rome.
Ah, Rome. I've been to Rome many times.
Well, I've never been there. It's my first time in Europe.
Really? What about your friend, Mel?
She's been to London and Paris, but she hasn't been to Rome.
Ah, London and Paris. I've been there too. I studied in Paris for a year before I went to work in New York. Have you ever been to the US?
No, I haven't. I haven't travelled much at all, so I'm really excited.
Oh, I've been to North and South America so many times. And
I'm sure you have, Kyle. Oh dear, look at the time. Mel's waiting for me. We've got so much to do. Bye, Kyle. We'll send you a postcard.
Okay, students, please now. Aquí de repente, chicos, en esta conversación escuchan, sí, de oraciones como que no se entiende qué dice aquí, pero no, el objetivo no es que se entienda todo, no es que se entienda todo, porque en este tema sí vamos a ver un nuevo tiempo, como les he anticipado, ¿sí? Pero aquí, por ejemplo, si ustedes se fijan, es un tiempo que ya hemos llevado. ¿Reconocen estas preguntas? ¿En qué tiempo está? Please, tell me. ¿En qué tiempo estará? ¿Presente, pasado, futuro? ¿En qué tiempo estarán estas preguntitas?
En pasado está bien.
Present continuous.
No,
Ya,
presente.
a ver, dime, Kevin. ¿Cuál está en pasado?
No, pero la conversación estaba en pasado, a eso me refería.
Ya.
Porque
Y aquí esas tres preguntitas.
bueno, lo que pude entender era de que Hale es el chico, ¿verdad?
Yes, yes.
Sí.
As you can see here, he's
Exacto.
Kylie, right? And she's Lara. They are having a conversation, right? Okay, but here I want to know these three answers. What are they talking about is the first question. Please tell me, Kevin, what are they talking about? Come on, please.
Le he escuchado entrecortado mismo.
A ver. Okay, Kevin, what are they talking about?
Kale talk about the countries with Lara.
Yeah, okay, it's okay. Thank you, Kevin.
Eh,
What about and?
and no sé cómo decirlo en inglés. Kale habla sobre que ha estado en algunos países y Lara le pregunta a Lara si conoce esos países y le dice que no.
Yeah, bien. Yes, it's okay. It's correct. Okay, thank you, Kevin. But I need another answer. Let me check. Please. Pamela? Pamela, please.
Yes, miss.
Okay, Pamelita, tell me, what are they talking about?
They are talking about Mel and Lara trip.
Yeah, okay, yes, very good. Okay, thank you. Okay, si bien habla del viaje y todo, sí, bien. Thank you. Let's continue, please. What are they talking about is the question, right? Yes, they are talking about Lara and Mel's trip to Europe, right? Very good. What about the next? Who's Mel? We have another question. Please, I need... Christian, please tell me who's Mel?
Lara's friend.
Lara friend. Very good. Thank you. Well, now we have the next question. Why does Lara want to end the conversation? Please tell me. Jocelyn Quispe?
Miss, because Mir is waiting for Lara, they have a lot to do.
Yeah, very good. That's correct. Thank you. Okay, very good, students. Now let's continue, please. We have the next exercise, number 2. Read these lines from the conversation. Who is each line about? Lara, Kylie, or Mel? You have to remember the conversation that we have listened. So, students, you have to write next to these lines the correct name. Okay, for example, I've been to Rome many times. Okay, it's one of the sentences that Kyle says, right? En la conversación que escuchamos hace un ratito, hemos escuchado que algunos han mencionado una de estas oraciones, ¿sí? Quiero que recuerden quién ha sido. For example, here, I have been to Rome many times. Who's? Kyle, yes, because Lara is going to travel now, right? Okay, what about the next, number 2? I've never been there. Who's?
Lara.
I've never been there. Yes, that's why she's traveling with Mel, right? Very good. Lara, let me write the answer. Okay, the next, she's been to London and Paris.
Mel.
Laura.
Mel. De repente sí, aquí en la conversación se ha dado a entender de que Mel ha estado en esos lugares, ¿cierto? Very good. En un minuto les voy a aclarar, ¿ok? The next, she hasn't been to Rome.
Mel.
Mel, yes. I haven't traveled much at all.
Lara.
Lara. Lara says this line. I've been to North and South America.
Kylie.
Kylie, yes. Kylie. I was thinking Kylie Jenner. Okay, very good. Now, students, let's listen. And in a minute, we are going to practice. Okay. Y aquí está el nuevo tiempo del que vamos a hablar en un minutito. Let's listen.
Tape script 12.2. 1.
I've been to Rome many times.
2. I've never been there. 3. She's been to London and Paris. 4. She hasn't been to Rome. 5. I haven't travelled much at all. 6.
I've been to North and South America.
Okay, class, now let's listen again and repeat, please. Repeat the line. Okay, look at this box, right? We have constructive form of I have, I've, constructive form of she has, she's. Okay, let's listen again and let's repeat one by one.
Tape script 12.2. 1.
I've been to Rome many times.
Please.
I've been to Rome many times.
Many times.
Come on. What about the others? What about the rest? I listen only to students talking. The next.
2. I've never been there.
Please.
I've never been.
Never been there.
Very good.
3. She's been to London and Paris.
Please.
She's been the
She's
long.
been to London and Paris.
Very good. The next.
4. She hasn't been to Rome.
Come on.
She
hasn't been to Rome.
Very good.
5. I haven't travelled much at all.
Please.
I haven't traveled
Finally.
6.
I've been to North and South America.
Please.
I
I've
been
been North and South America.
America.
Thank you, students. Well, now I'm going to send you the next link, please, in a minute.